Welcome! Today I am with Xiaomi Mi 11X and I will show you how we can take screenshot on the smartphone. Basically we have three options. The first one, the standard with keys. We have to click volume down button and power key at the same time, just like that. As you can see, screenshot was taken. We can enter for the screenshot and we can change, for example, aspect ratio or add something or just simply save by tapping on the right upper corner. And yeah, that's the first method. The second one, you have to open your notification bar by scrolling from the right side and you have to find this icon. If you scroll again, you will get the whole list and there's screenshot. So when you click, this menu will be closed and the screenshot will be taken. So for example, if you want to capture, for example, the Google Assistant or maybe notes, you go here, open notification bar, find this button, click, and the screenshot will be taken. Just like that. And we get also another one option, so we have to go for the settings. Next, we have to scroll down until we find additional settings. And here we have to go for the gesture shortcuts. And we can take screenshot by sliding with 3 fingers. So take a look, we have to enable this option right here and take a look right now. You have to use your 3 fingers and then just swipe like that. And as you can see, the screenshot is also taken. So that's how you can take screenshot on your Xiaomi Mi 11X. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.